I am at work. Got a half a small cabbage, 1 ounce of Craig onion, 2 small carrots, 1 beet, homemade ghee, salt and pepper. This is called what we call end of the fall garden meal. And there it is. All the ingredients are about half cooked, just the way we like it. Knife 2, potatoes, onions, and beets. The debate is to eat them now or crisp them up. We haven't decided yet. The decision is to have some now with the beets still firm, and then keep the rest in there to crisp up. That's the plan, I guess. About 30 more to go. Okay, what I am doing here is the upper bog. And there's the lower bog. It's pretty dry up in here. All in through here. Anywhere you walked out in there, you could get cranberries. Didn't even have to work hard for them. And here's what I'm looking for. Those are cranberry plants. I'm not seeing single cranberry. But like I said, I think it was so dry for so long that they just died. They just didn't produce. They'll come back, but I'm not seeing a single cranberry. That is peat moss in nature. You know how you buy it in the store in the bag? It just pulls up very easily. That is peat moss, and this is a peat moss bog. In amongst the bog grass and cranberries, there's peat moss that will die back, it'll decompose, and that's what you get in a bag for peat moss. It's all in through here. But that's what peat moss looks like, folks, when it's green. Right there. It's kind of pretty. But no cranberries this year. I'm seeing a few plants. No cranberries. And that's what I rode up with. Trying to find you some cranberries. I'm not gonna find any. I don't believe. There's a cranberry plant right there. The sun is probably not all that great, but there's a cranberry plant. Cranberry, they're all through here, but there's no berries. There's no cranberries this year, folks. There might not be any cranberries this year, but there is dogbane. You can recognize it because of the seed pods. So there is I don't know if you can see it. Still green,